Hi, I'll be explaining question 7 of PSAT 9. In this question, we're given density, which is 550 kilograms per meters cubed, and the density of water, which is 1,000 kilograms per meters cubed. The first question is determining whether the raft will float in water. So we know that it'll float if density of water is greater than the density of wood. To set up a ratio, we can say the weight of the raft over the weight of the buoyant force, the max of the weight of the buoyant force, which we can set up to say density of pine wood divided by the density of water. And this is given by 550 over 1,000. And this ratio is smaller than 1, therefore it'll float because the weight is less than the max buoyant force. And this makes sense because wood is less dense than water, so it makes sense it'll float. The second question is asking how much the raft is behind the surface. And we can set this up by saying the length squared times the height of the density of the pine wood times gravity divided by the length squared height of the density of water times gravity, and that's going to equal 1. So we can reset this equation to say the density of pine wood over the density of water will give us how much of it's submerged. And we're given these values, so we can say it's 550 divided by 1,000, and this gives us 0.55. times 100 to get to percent, and that's 55%. So 55% of the raft is beneath the surface. And then this makes sense because the submerged percentage is equivalent to the ratio of the density.